Edunation Ecofunnomics. I am Shreya Roy, and today I am presenting a something different video. Like, if you did see my intro video today, you must have realized I have broken down the name of my channel. Education plus nation is Edunation, and economics with fun is Ecofunnomics. So, I have realized we have never brought in that fun factor to our channel. So today I am bringing to you a DIY, a home decor, or simply basics to paint. This thing over here, the paintings, these two, I'm going to recreate for you. I have actually shot it after I have painted them. So I'm going to show you how I created them, and I'm going to teach you how to use a spatula, a paintbrush, and even earbuds. Well, the stuffs that I've used to create this painting shall be linked down in the description. However, I do recommend you that you do not purchase these canvases. I got them from Flipkart and they were like 50-ish each of them, but they turned out to be pretty small, and the sides of this one is sort of bent. So I would actually suggest that you get it from your local store because it is cheaper. A size bigger than this is about 60-65 rupees, and obviously they won't be bent. So let's enter into the video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like, and for more DIYs, more interesting, knowledgeable stuffs, keep tuned to my channel. Now let's get into the video.
We will use two canvases. These are small ones. We are creating a set, a flat tip brush size 6 and two round tip brush, one a size 2, other the size 6. And we are going to use a spatula which is 90 rupees from the local store, and some poster colors or acrylic colors. These are 9 ml each, I guess, and the set was 90 rupees. That's all we are going to require. Slightly in freehand, I'm just sketching out a slight sketch and in abstract manner, as in what I want, where I want, to be sure that it's in the right position. That's all I'm doing. And two girls, because I used to share this room with my sister. So yes, one me and the other one my sister. I'm beginning with mixing paints, that is to create the purple. It's a blue and a red will give you a good vibrant purple shade, and using a spatula I am mixing it, and I'm going to create a gradient structure, that is the darker shade on one corner and then slightly moving downwards it's going to become lighter. So currently I'm teaching you or showing you how to use a spatula, but always remember, to use a spatula you would always require a lot of colors, and if you're short of colors then spatula is a bad idea. And I would always suggest, if you do not have enough colors, then you should use a brush. So as you can see, I have created a darker purple, and then I have constantly added white to the next step and more white to the next step and again a white to the next step. So this way I'm able to create a real good dark to light shade and constantly adding white to the bottom part. And since I wanted more on the lighter side, so what I'm doing is from the white side, in round strokes of the brush I am moving towards the darker side. So this way I have more lighter purple on my canvas compared to the darker purple. Now the other canvas, I wanted a more pink gradient background. So as you can see, I am doing a pink gradient background, repeating the same format, that is a darker pink on one corner and then constantly adding white and moving downwards, which is going to give me a really light tone to the last part. And again, with round brush strokes, I am completing my background, because this is going to give you a very cloud-like effect, and that's what I'm drawing on both my canvases.
When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday voice sing.
Let them sit and dry for about 15 to 30 minutes, and then you will be ready for the next step. So I am mixing some white and then using a toothbrush to absorb some paint, and then sprinkle them on the darker purple side to give it a more star-like effect. That is, the round brush strokes gave it a more cloudy effect, and the white starry nights made it look like a good galaxy sort of an effect. Now, using black paint and my round tip brushes, I am creating my branches. Again, these are really created very freehand. That is, there is no pre-planned thing to it. Now, since it's a set, I am bringing the black branches very symmetrically from one canvas to the other one, so that they look like they are the part of the same painting. And then I am going to complete my painting and show you. Yes, so 2 birds and 2 girls, and the branches are done. Take some earbuds and dip it in the color you want. So for the purple canvas, I would like to create some pink flowers, and for the pink canvas, I would create more purpley flowers. I'm not sure if purpley is a word, but yes, you get my point. So I am creating more light pink initially with the help of the earbuds. So earbuds have a very round tip, and hence they'll give you very round flowers, and then build up the flowers using darker colors. So this will give you that there are a lot of flowers and there's a lot of texture, light pink, darker pink, peach colors, and then gradually I'll also build it up to red, which you'll see slowly in the further parts of the video. But you have to let them sit and dry before layering the flowers. Now for the pink one, as I said, I am going to use more purpley flowers, purple flowers. So yes, so it's going to look like a set. So the purple flowers are created. Again, you'll have to build them up with colors as per you like. So light purple and then darker purple. That's what I'm doing here. Meanwhile, the other canvas is drying so that they can be built up again. If you like DIY, if you like paintings, if you like fine arts, I would suggest you move to my Instagram page, as I have some IGTV videos which I highly recommend that you watch. So I guess you would like them, so just try them out. It's shreya.funnomics.
Everyday voice sing. Turn it love song. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday voice sing.
And this is the final look. Ta-da!
I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. If you did, and if you're still here till the last, then please hit that like button. It's going to do me some good. And thank you. And until next time, toodles.
Turning into love zone.